This video, I show you how to get paid free PayPal money for just signing up, which is one of the easiest way to make money online. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to earn money online for signing up. I have new apps with me today that you are going to learn about simply downloading and signing up. And just like that, you get to earn lots of money online. And this method is widely available no matter where you are around the world. So this is completely accessible for everyone. With that said, comment down below. I am from your country, and that way I will know exactly where you are. So the first app on our list is Instatag.com. But before we dive into making money with this app, we can see here on their Facebook page that Instagram is very transparent when it comes to their payment via PayPal. And if you don't have PayPal, you can also get paid through gift cards and direct deposit. By the way, this app works on both Android and iOS devices, so there is no hassle for you to download this app. Returning to the app, you will get paid for doing things you already do online. So as completing surveys, watching video, shopping online, and exploring the web. But the one I recommend is watching video, which you can find right here because this is one pay the most to earn a lot of money from this category. So simply open a lot of videos and play them all at the same time. You can even take surveys at the same time while watching those videos, and that's where you can maximize your earning potential. Now to get started, all you have to do is signing up here to get free points. You may either link your social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, and Google, or manually fill out the required information. Now moving on, the second app on our list is appkarma.io. This is a fantastic app that allows you to make money by simply installing and using it. This app is completely free. It requires no investment and it's compatible with both Android and iOS devices. The best part is by just installing and signing up to this app, you will receive 300 points for free, and take note that 100 points is equivalent to $1. So with 300 points you get the easiest $3 you ever have in your entire life. This app is literally donating money just by logging in and downloading it. Another option to make money with this app is through its referral program. When someone you refer earns a certain amount, you get a share of their earnings. See, it's just a way to make money while you sleep. You will be sitting around waiting for them to make money for you while others work for it. The coolest thing about this program is that it allows you to make money by just logging in every day. As stated here, this app rewards you for simply logging in and completing tasks. You will also boost your level or earning badges by completing certain apps karma tasks, which will translate to a higher reward level. So simply gain this budget to improve your earning potential with this app. Moving on to the third app is Cashcake.com. This app will pay you in hard cash through paper or bank transfer. This has the same features as Instatag, with the exception that Cashcake will pay you more. As you can see, they provide similar services as Instatag, therefore you can use the same way we did with the first app to optimize your earning potential. You should concentrate more on the watching videos so that you may simultaneously answer as much survey as you can while watching this video in the background. To sign up, simply fill out the required information so you can get started on your new account and begin earnings today. To sign up, simply fill out the required information so you can get started on your new account and begin earning money. We will now move on to the first app, which is Super Pay Me. This app provides free paid survey that can earn you a lot of money in the last amount of time, because their payments turn it around is only a day. This is completely safe and real app. As a result, you can receive your earnings within just a day of waiting. They even have a very low cash out threshold. By the way, I have a low cash out threshold. By the way, when you join this app, you you will receive a welcome bonus, which is just amazing. As you can see, they have paid out a lot of money to people around the world. As of today, the concept of this app is really simple. You simply respond to survey. That I like about this app is they are very open and transparent when it comes to their payout. These are the worldwide payout that this app has made. As you can see here, to sign up to this app, all you have to do is click here and provide them with the necessary info in order to get your money making account started. Now, moving on to the fifth app on our list is Yisas.com, which is available for download on any device or phone. By simply logging into this app, you will be able to earn money. As you can see, there are reviews about how the software works and they have all given it a positive rating. To participate in the app research project, you must first sign up for a free account and complete a survey. After that, simply download the app and start earning money. By simply signing up and logging into this app every day, you can receive free incentive and cash. Now, to sign up, click on this button right here, answer a few questions, provide some basic information, and that's it. A new income stream for you. Overall, this are great opportunities for you to grab in order to earn money online. I mean, these are really simple applications and the platforms that anyone can work with. You won't literally need any special skills to do these tasks. All you have to do is watch videos, take surveys, and log in every day. These apps are guaranteed to make decent money. Just make sure to be consistent with it. Now, if you want to earn even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover how to earn $5 every minute for typing words, which is one of the best way to make money online.